Hello, Fatty from Pack of Punch Traders here. Gonna go over the top plays for tomorrow, January 18th. First up, we got KERN. Still waiting on the demand to come back. It's a low float, low market cap play. Something to watch if it comes back to the low twos, confirms the breakout level. We see a perk in demand. That could really trigger a squeeze to the mid twos, maybe even higher. I'll just be taking my quick 10-15%. But here we are in the past few days. This thing is failing to break down and holding in the mid ones pretty well. So nice to see this upwards trend today. Let's see if we can get some more demand to come in and trigger a move higher. Next up, YTEN. Nasty ending to the day, but still similar thing. Looking for that breakout. Just also waiting for the volume. That's the only thing with all these plays. Nothing's really catching my eye. There's some stuff like ATXI, but that's still seeing how it shapes up tomorrow morning. If it gets an open price, if it fails to break down, it's a solid mover of the day. But Y10, we got a breakout up ahead, low float, low market cap, recent runner. Shorts really fail to break this down, and demand really starts coming back. We confirmed mid threes. I don't see why we can't test 4 at least. AGFY, this one. I was looking for a continuation today, but never happened. Still holding up above the 60-cent area, breakout level. So this one we'll keep on watch, as it is a low float and low market cap play. Uptrending, making higher lows. If it comes back to 71 cents, we can get a 10-15% push higher that I would like to capture if we get another day of demand like this, or ideally something 20 million or more. Because if it's a slow mover, or if it's weak volume, we get a slow mover, and a high chance of it not being able to continue and be a long, sustaining move. So that's why we really look for the strength behind the play to show us the support behind it. But yeah, that's AGFY, BBAI, multi-day bounce setting up. Was a failure today, but we keep fading. But volume keeps fading as well. There's less selling pressure as this heads lower. So I'll be looking for a multi-day bounce, as we had an incredible push, and now we're well off the highs. Could give us a nice move into the mid twos. Just looking for that high day break, similar to BBAI today and BIOR, which once they broke their high day breaks and confirmed them, we really got some vertical action. And that's all from short covering and dip buyers coming back. It's a recent play that's moved a lot, so it might attract people who missed it initially to want to play it again. AVYA, something else we're looking at, but we really need to see an increase in volume. It has a lot of volume in its history, a little bit of a larger float. It is a low price play, so that's something to factor in, that people will be buying more shares. But here we are, perking up, failing to break down. If we get back to the 40-cent area, it could definitely be a nice breakout to test 50 cents. It is kind of a push, looking for this to go from 30 to 50, but not unheard of. If the momentum is there, it can definitely happen. And lastly, PRAX. This one, another breakout. I don't necessarily like how big the float is, but this thing has proven it can move. So this one is my least favorite of my top plays, but keep this on watch for a possible breakout over 525. So those are the top plays. There's still some other decent calls down here, but yeah, everything besides, I'll keep PRAX on watch. I bet by the morning comes, I'll be judging if it is going to be a top watch or not. But in case this thing gaps up, we see something with demand, PRAX could really be something if it gets back to 5. But we still got a ways to go, 25%. So it's going to need a lot of demand as well. So this one might be kind of a long shot. But yeah, just keep this on watch until we see something else really shape up. Some gappers tomorrow that take place of anything that's not working. So we'll just wrap it up there. Hope everyone had a great day. I got a video lesson going over my